Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Brilliant Techies. It's been a very long time. We were on YouTube and finally we are back. We used to create videos on YouTube, but unfortunately, due to some reasons, we need to delete our videos. So, yeah, we are back and restarting from zero. Yes, you heard it correct. Restarting from zero. So, if you are very new in this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Suchana, and in this channel, we will be talking about all the data science related content. Data science means from the beginners to advanced, means starting from your Python, starting from your statistics up to the advanced generative AI we will be talking about. We means me, Suchana, and the Sugam sir. Sugam sir will be talking about the will be continuing the playlist of machine learning. So um, you can check machine learning from beginners to advanced, and parallelly you will be learning statistics from me in this playlist. Okay, so this is the video. The goal of the video today is the roadmap, the complete roadmap of statistics from beginners to advanced, only for data science. Okay, so in this video we will be talking about statistics, and most important that what to read, what to skip, which is important for data science, those things we will be covering. So we have to check the roadmap. So let's talk about the roadmap of statistics. So complete roadmap for statistic for data science. Okay, and let me tell you one thing honestly, you can learn Python, you can learn machine learning, you can learn deep learning, but statistics is a concept which is very basic for your AI concept, for your machine learning concept, which is a main thing, which is a root. So if you don't know statistics, then it will be very difficult to understand all the latest technology, because all the algorithms are actually based on statistics. So you need to know where the concept is actually starting. So that's why it's very important to learn statistics the beginning from the beginning in a structured manner. So I am giving you the structure. What will be the roadmap? See, we are targeting in this playlist, we are targeting the statistics for 40 to 45 days. So I will be talking about some um, step by step journey of our statistics. Okay, so we will be starting with the day one. So we will be starting from introduction of statistics. Okay, introduction of statistics. Secondly, types of types of data. So just in this introduction of statistics, in the first point we will be talking about the descriptive statistics, descriptive versus inferential statistics, because it's very important. Statistics is having two goals. One is the descriptive part, other one is the inferential part. So you need to know all the aspect of statistics, where you can apply statistics, those things is very important. So these types of data, and after population versus sample, these are all the part of the basic thing which is very important, but in the part of introduction you need to cover. Now after that we will be starting descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics and let me tell you one more thing, that the statistics we will be learning, but not in a theoretical manner. We'll be covering the numericals also, we'll be covering all the Python codes also, because this is the playlist will be like statistics for data science using Python. like how we will be implementing statistics in Python, those things we will be doing. Okay, so not only theoretical, in practical manner also we will be covering. So your descriptive statistics, in the descriptive statistics, the first point will be the central tendency. Central tendency. So in central tendency, we will be talking about mean median mode. That is a very basic thing you need to know. Mean median mode. And secondly, the measure of dispersion. Measure of dispersion. Now, what is that? Standard deviation, mean deviation, all those things. Mean deviation, standard deviation, all those things we will be covering here. Okay. Then skewness and kurtosis. Then quartiles, percentiles, all those concepts we have to cover. After that, we'll be moving for the visualization. Now this visualization, why it is important to study? Because in the data analysis you have to cover all these things. You have to implement this descriptive statistics in your EDA, means exploratory data analysis. So there all the visualization libraries in Python you have, like Matplotlib, Seaborn, all those libraries you have. But for which data, which visualization is important, which visualization to choose to describe the data, for that statistics is very important concept to know. So that's why visualization we have to do. Visualization in the sense pie chart or histogram or box plot, all this type of thing. There are many more, we have to cover each and everything. Box plot also. Then we need to know about outlier and its treatment, because it is very important to cleaning. For clean the data, for cleaning data, it's very important. In data analysis, you need to know about data pre-processing, and data cleaning, in that data cleaning is very important topic. Like if you want to be a data scientist, you need to be know about the data cleaning thing. So what is data cleaning? There you need to, like, in the cleaning in the sense, whenever you are going to train a model, suppose you have a machine learning model, a deep learning model, the data which you are giving, there will be lot of missing values, lot of outliers. What are those things we will be covering? So you need to treat those, which means you need to pre-process those things. You need to make it in a scale. You have to fill all the missing values. You need to delete some duplicate columns or duplicate datas. So for that reason, we will be doing this outlier treatment, and practically we will be implementing that in data analysis. Okay. Now next thing will be, next module we will be doing the probability, because probability theory is important. Whenever in machine learning also, whenever you are doing classification model, if you are going to implement, that time also probability is a main thing. The underlying feature means probability. So probability as a concept, it's very important. So in the probability theory also, we will be talking about the introduction of probability, means the classical probability. The classical probability we will be talking about, classical probability theory. Classical probability theory. And after that, which is very important even in the naive Bayes algorithm in machine learning, it will be required. What is that? Conditional probability. That is also important. Conditional probability. Okay. Then random variables. Now in this random variables, we need to talk about expectation, variance, all those things. Expectation, expectation, variance, all those terms we have to cover. Now then comes very important, probability distribution. Probability distributions. Now in this probability distributions we will be covering lots of distribution, means the main three distributions here. If I give some examples, binomial, Bernoulli, after then Poisson, then standard normal, means the normal distributions, Gaussian curve you have to know about. Then central limit theorem. Central limit theorem. Okay, that's all your probability theory. Now after that, I already mentioned that inferential. Now what is that inferential? What we have to know about inferential? So in inferential statistics, what are the concepts we need to know about? Here sampling we need to know. So sampling technique and distributions we need to know. Then confidence interval. These are all the intermediate version of statistics. The descriptive part is the basic thing. This inferential statistics is the intermediate. Now after that, hypothesis testing. These things you need to know. Means here the null versus alternative hypothesis you need to know. After that, all the test, means Z test, T test, chi-square test, all this we will be covering. And in this hypothesis testing, type 1 error, type 2 error, all these concepts we will be covering. Why it's very important? Because for evaluation matrices, like whenever you will be doing some accuracy check in machine learning, that time these things is very important. Okay, type 1 error, type 2 error, all this, for bivariate, for univariate testing in the sense to understand the accuracy, like which accuracy, in which interval the accuracy will be good, to understand that, like can we adopt that model or we can ignore or avoid that model. So to get a perfect decision, you need to know about, you need to implement inferential statistics in your model. So this concept is also very important. Now finally we have to learn ANOVA. ANOVA in the sense analysis of variance. Now these things also we have to cover at the last of inferential statistics. So this is your intermediate statistics. Now after that you need to know about the advanced concept of statistics. Now what are the advanced concept? Means the implementation in data analysis. That is very important. So the last module will be the advanced statistics. Advanced, and you can say the practical statistics. There we will be covering univariate analysis. After that we will be starting with bivariate analysis. Now in univariate analysis we will be implementing all the practical concepts of the descriptive statistics, and in bivariate analysis we will be covering all the bivariate. Obviously that is also in the part of descriptive statistics, but there we will be talking about correlation, which is very important. Correlation and regression. This is very important, this concept, because based on this lots of algorithms are actually made. So correlation regression, the bivariate analysis we will be doing, and practically we will be checking that with visualization full. Means we will be using Python libraries. Okay, means for univariate bivariate analysis NumPy and Panda we will be using, and other than that for the visualization of univariate and bivariate we will be using the pandas. Other than pandas and NumPy, the visualization libraries means the matplotlib and pyplot we will be using. Matplotlib and matplotlib, pyplot, and one more thing is Seaborn. Yes, Seaborn we will be using. Then few concepts which is related to statistics, actually coming from statistics, was very important to understand the data to fit a model. So that is bias, variance, trade-off. All those concepts we will be talking about: bias, variance, trade-off, then overfitting, underfitting, overfitting, because these are all the concepts of statistics that you will be doing for model optimization. So overfitting and underfitting. Then A/B testing, A/B testing, where we will be talking about all the industry use cases, industry use cases. Because whenever you will be deploying or you will be creating any application of machine learning application you are doing, or an AI application you are doing, so testing is very important. Sorry guys, testing is important. Now for testing, A/B testing is the main thing which have to adopt. So for that the concepts is very important, so these things also you need to know. Lastly, the feature engineering which is required for your machine learning, those things we will be covering. Feature engineering means we will be connecting, here we will be connecting, I will be connecting your statistics with the data analysis and the machine learning. So this will be a bridge between your theoretical and practical. So feature engineering, and there will be one project. Yes, so end to end project, there will be lastly end to end project on industry test cases. So complete, after the completion of the entire playlist, lastly we will be doing a project, a practical implementation of statistics in the domain of data science we will be doing. So stay tuned guys. If you are very new, you can start from zero, then just follow this playlist and let's learn together. And not only the statistics, there is one more playlist which is going on simultaneously in this channel by Sugam sir, so don't forget to follow that playlist also. You can learn this statistics concept and the machine learning concept parallelly, so try to follow that. Okay, and if you need any help, you can simply write in the comment. I will be replying that, or I will be response that. So yeah, so let's start our journey. We are starting from the beginning, and once again, this is Suchana and signing off, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned.